Come on, kids, get off the sensors. You know, they're holding us up. Okay. I doubt that picked up, but she said, got a problem there, bitch? Technically, she was on the right, because she had an arrow that was green and was left. I wouldn't even notice that if she didn't open her mouth. It's a skank fight, everybody. Okay. Uh-oh. Trashmobile. She's back. And her cut off. Okay. Oh, you're not gonna go. I'm gonna let you go. In the room. Thank you, Psycho Bun. That wasn't your turn. Stop! Stop, you dickhead. Asshole. Lexus. Ran the red, ran the red, ran the red, ran the red. You suck. And you just ran the red light. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, that. Careful, kids. That was a cutoff. Chappelle Tractor Sales. The hell was it? Flipped your lid, dude. Just came from the recycling transfer station. That ass ache was taking up 2 slots of the trash bin shed, whatever. Thanks. Fuck them. I'm letting you go. Why? I guess not. Okay, thank you. I feel like okay, Burger King dive, I guess that was. That was a cutoff. That's a left turn regret. Yep. Yep. I hope you're exiting. I guess you're not. Okay. Yep. And it was a cutoff for a left turn dive. Okay. Toyota tired. Actively run the red light. Car's a little low there, dude. Walk up to my car. And the Camry had left his driver's door wide open, blocking my driver's door. Oh boy. Asked him to close his door so I can get in my car, and he gave me a dirty look. Fuck you. You have a stop sign, stupid! Not on my side, there's one on yours. There's a stop sign on the... There's only one. Go back and... No, you look next time. I come out here all the fucking time. Yeah, well, you're fucking blind. Fuck you. You didn't stop. Yeah, but... There's no need to be stupid, you bitch. Eat my ass. Give me a second, I'll go out of your fucking way. Oh, you're an asshole. Fuck off. Wowee. Where's the cops when we need them?